Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting location and offline data ready. Enable high-accuracy location and grant maps permission. Once done, update the app and download the Tokyo offline map so you won't rely on roaming. Next, open Maps and set your route preferences. Choose transit for trains or walking if you're nearby. Toggle avoid tolls or ferries only if necessary. This gets you from zero to ready. Accurate positioning, local map files, and default navigation behavior configured for Tokyo travel. You now learn to pick the best route and interpret Tokyo specifics. Search with English names, but paste Japanese station names when you need precision. This reduces wrong stops. Compare transit options by total time, number of transfers, platform and exit details, and the fare estimate so you don't get surprises. Save places to lists for quick recall. Use Street View to preview station exits and stairs. Make sure to monitor live transit alerts and departure boards for real-time changes. You're ready to navigate. Start turn-by-turn guidance and follow the color-coded route lines plus station exit numbers to reach the right platform. Once en route, switch to offline mode only if your signal drops and keep a battery pack for long transit days. If the app shows wrong location or jumps around, calibrate your compass by moving your phone in a figure eight or briefly toggle airplane mode to reset GPS. This typically restores accuracy without disrupting saved maps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.